Jesus.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install these beautiful clip-ins. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm so excited to show you guys how I was able to install these clip-ins. This clip-in is from CurlsCurls hair company. This clipping is quite different because it's their seamless clipping. Like when you install it, blending it with your natural hair won't be a problem at all. Like the clipping area is not bulky at all. It's very thin and very flat, you know. So I decided to twist it after washing it, because it's very important when you get it, you wash it. So after getting it, I decided to wash it. It's very important when you receive the hair, definitely wash it first of all. But I noticed the coils are quite like 3C kind of coils, so I decided to twist it, you know. After twisting it, I left it for like a day, yeah, and I unraveled it, and this is how it looks. I think it blends way more better with my natural hair, and I am absolutely loving the way it looks. As you guys can see, it's very full, and it's quite on the longer side. As you can, it's quite long, you know. So but I decided to just put it this way, or I can just hold it, like use like a little rubber band to hold it a little bit to make it short, because I like it when it's shorter. Or better still, lift the clippings up, so when I lift it up, it's going to give me a more shorter look. But anyway, let me just stop blabbing, and everything that has to do with the clipping will be in the description box, the links and everything. And let me stop blabbing and let's just get into this video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the packaging of the hair. So it comes with this booklet and some extra clip-on pins. So this is the way the coils look, and this is the seamless clip-ins. You guys can see it looks really flat, and the coils are so popping. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and wash it. I'm gonna use my shampoo to wash it. After washing it, I'll rinse it out. And then I'm gonna apply a conditioner, comb it out a little bit, and then wash it off very well. So right here, I'm gonna moisturize the clip-in. I'm gonna apply a leave-in conditioner on it, and also I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of castor oil. So once I'm done applying them, I'm going to go ahead and twist it. So this is after twisting the clip-ins. I'm gonna leave it for just 1 day. So guys, I have on an old cornrow, so I'm just gonna take down the side part of the cornrow because I'm going for a side pattern. And then I'm gonna take the twists and unravel them and then clip them onto my hair. So that's just what I'm gonna keep doing. So right here, I'm just gonna start blending my hair to the clip-ins. And yes guys, this is the final look. As you guys can see, this looks absolutely beautiful. Like, it's so beautiful. And I went ahead to just do a couple of styles. And yes guys, that's what it's gonna be for this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.